Do you remember or know what these are? If you do, you are definitely a child of the 80s and 90s in Singapore. Well, if you don't, fret not. In this video, we will give you a short introduction on Singapore childhood snacks. You used to be able to find them at street vendors, school canteens, and supermarkets. As much as snacking remains as a national favorite pastime, the snacks that we eat have evolved over the years, and these have become what people call old school.
Nowadays, places that sell these snacks are getting more and more rare, and this is one of the last few shops standing. They have almost every snack you can think of. Meet Mr. Aloysius Liao. He's 74 years old this year and has been managing this snack store for the past 6 years, ever since its opening. He shared that the store attracts a range of customers of all age groups, and even tourists. The best-selling category in the store is the biscuit section, specifically the ice jams, hot kit ball cake, and the rendition of cream cracker.
We are fortunate to have 4 individuals from different age groups to share their memories on these childhood snacks. We have Mr. To, born in 1983, Miss Lim in 1985, and these 2 ladies born in 1993 and 1997.
I call this the 轮子饼干. For me, this looks like a ear. So we call it a 多饼.
And often, as a child, you get to eat this. As a child, you get to eat this. Yeah.
This one used to be, I think, 5 cents. 5 cents. During my time.
My era, I think it's about 20 cents per packet.
Correct.
Mine was 30 cents.
Mine was
20
cents. Scale of 4. Inflation. This one used to be 70 cents. What about now?
I think it's $2.
Serious?
This is nice. This is nice.
I can remember how we will like the popping thing rather than the candy, so we will dip it in and then make sure that our mouth is open to be able to hear the popping sound.
I like carbs, but I don't like sugar. So I'll bite off the biscuit part.
Oh, and then for this, right, I think it's a bit too slow to like eat it one by one. So during recess, we will just pour the whole thing.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sure.
As the years go by, these snacks are gradually disappearing from the markets. Many precious childhood memories slowly fade away with the disappearance of these shops. Fortunately, there are still places that continue to preserve this unique culture where Singaporeans can reminisce their childhood memories.